B1, the number one. B-Joe to Colliston. 45-45. John to Colliston. For the number four.
Ay, shit! Ah! Nawaiting ako sa ano, sa window. Nasa window ako. Kanina pa to, dalawa ka agad ako. Wala ito agad eh, gitna. Tapos nakita ko na.
6:32:54.
Check.
In the window.
14 free space 52.
Check.
14:18.
Four lives, one to winner. Any others?
Window, Marta na window.
Left now.
Relax.
We are closing your ship game on the winner. Pay that lucky winner.
Bayad mo, 500 na no?
Shit. Sabi ko, ay, akin na to. Stupid.
Where's he going? Video mo.
Oo, kasi pangkam natin yun eh. Alagaan.
Alright, last call for the strip.
Yun na lang may pakinabang.
Sue's on the floor with the last five.
What? Ito naman.
Once, palitan mo.
Thank you.
Last five for your strip games.
Gagawin mo.
Last five.
Ano yan? Marunong ka ba sa mga?
Alright, raise your money up. Once again, it's $10 a strip.
Check.
Payout is $1,000. $1,000. Last chance to wrap up the door with $1,000. Sue's on the floor with the last five of those strips. That game is coming up next. Last call. Last call.
Pabilang tayo na.
Once again, folks, don't forget we do play bingo here tomorrow. We have time tomorrow at 4:30.
To ano ko eh. 260.
Stay by that
Wala
stay.
yung natin ang pera
A
ko.
$30 buy and get you your loaded unit, your regular packs, and your warm-up packs for $30. Once again, our strip game does pay out $1,000. And your seniors only. You play for tomorrow. Once again, last call for your big payday and your ton action. Last chances to walk out the door.
Tangin lang yun.
Once again, folks, your big payday pays out $1,500.
Nasa window ako, puta mo.
Also has a instant
Latang-lata ako doon.
$50 winner. Expansion is also on the
Latang-lata ako doon sa
last call for that strip game. So still has the last five.
in the window.
Raise your money up.
Ikaw, di ka bibili sa pare.
Hindi na. Meron na ako isa. Sa window ko, sabi ko, ay, ayan na, akin. Kaya na pa yun, dalawa sunod yun, nakabuang yun ako dalawa. Yung gitna ko, katagal bago magkaroon. Puro pang tinawag.
Ano ba susunod? Where are we playing now? Where are we playing next?
Also, folks, last call for that.
The strip.
Let's switch game last call.
Sabi ko, ngayon ako tatama rito sa Jamaican Marinator.